Okay, welcome back. Chalo, this problem we have already done. Problem number 2. M is the midpoint of segment AB. Find length of LM. Okay, it was length of AB is equal to 8. Therefore, length of AB is equal to twice the length of AM. Reason: M is the midpoint of segment or line length of AB, whatever you want. Therefore, 8. Put the coordinates. 8 is equal to 2 into length of LM. Therefore, length of LM will be 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Therefore, length of AM is equal to 4. Barobar. Let's move to the next problem. Okay. P is the midpoint of segment CD. There is a segment CD where P is the midpoint. Length of, what length they have given? CP. CP is 2.5. And find CD. If P is the midpoint, then what will be the length of the entire segment? Will be CP plus CP, or 2 into CP. Okay, chalo, we'll do it like this. Length of CP is equal to 2.5. Length of CD is equal to 2 into length of CP. Why? Since P is the midpoint of length of CD. Therefore, we have length of CD is equal to 2 into 2.5. Therefore, length of CD is equal to 5. This is your answer. Barobar. Let's move to the next problem. The fourth problem is, if length of AB is 5, BP is 2 and AP is 3. Compare the segment. This is a 2-mark question, okay? We have to make comparison. Greater, smaller. Compare manje greater, smaller. Solution. Since it's a 2-mark question, we don't write it directly. We'll go step by step. 2 mark पूर्ण पाहिजे आपल्याला. Length of AB is equal to 5, length of BP is equal to 2 and length of AP is equal to 3.5. मोठा ग्रेस ब्रॅकेट गिवन. तर ग्रेस ब्रॅकेट नाही बनवायचं तुम्हाला कंटाळे तर प्रत्येक लाईनच्या समोर ब्रॅकेट टाकून गिवन लिहा. ओके, इवन दॅट इज ओके. So now, since we are comparing only the coordinates, 5 is greater than 3.4, which is the coordinate of length of AB and length of AP simultaneously. Okay, and is this again 3.4 is greater than length of is greater than 2. 2 is the coordinate of length of BP. Now we'll put it in the segment way. Therefore, length of AB is greater than length of AP, which is again greater than length of BP. Okay, but we have to compare the segments. They said compare the segments, so we have to write the final answer in segment form. Hence काय नाही, फक्त चेंज करायचं. We just need to change. Instead of length we have to write segment. Segment AB is greater than segment AP is greater, which is greater than segment BP. Segment AB is greater than segment AP, which is again greater than segment BP. Okay, if it comes for 1 marks, then you have to write only this statement directly. You have to compare this in your brain itself, which you might have already done when I gave you the first close shot of this particular problem in the start itself. ये automatically comparison तुमचे ये दिमाग में हो गया रहेगा ना, comparison automatically. ये तो लिखने का खाली statement है, 2 marks है तो करना पड़ेगा. Okay, and segment BP is greater than AP and which is again greater than segment BP. Here this is only for your convenience. I have written, if it appears in your exams as a 1 mark problem, then write only this last statement. Okay, for 1 mark हे सगळं, for 2 marks एवढं सगळं करायचं आहे, पण 1 mark असेल तर फक्त write only the final answer and भूल जाओ. Okay, problem number 5 and 6 are, they are just 1 mark question and answers format. So copy the question and answers along with the diagram from below photos. Photographs I will be sending you for problem number 5 and 6. I will be sending you photographs immediately after this video, which you have to copy all the question answers from that particular photographs in your tuition book as a homework. Okay, of course, question 1 time, answer 5 times. Okay, practice set 1.2 is over. Practice set 1.2 is over. We are proceeding to practice set 1.3. Since practice set 1.2 is over and we are starting with practice set 1.3, this video will carry the code of practice set 1.3 video 1. Okay, PS 1.3 V1. At the ending the code will be. चलो प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 ये इसी वीडियो में ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बहुत छोटा है. प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 ओनली राइटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, नो प्रूफ और सोल्यूशन. दीज आर ओनली राइटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर टाइप, सोल्यूशन्स नाही आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, काही सॉल्व करायला नाही आहे. यू हैव टू यूज इफ एंड देन. ओके, if all angles, example, if all angles of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, we have used if and then. The line will be given to you, all angles of a equilateral triangles are congruent. Okay, all angles of an equilateral triangle is congruent. How will you put it into if and then format? ओके, इन इंग्लिश यू हॅव डन ना इफ अँड बट, ग्रामरमध्ये केलं आहे ना, इफ अँड बट यूज करायचं आहे. हां, इथे जॉमेट्रीमध्ये यू विल हॅव टू यूज युअर सेम ब्रेन, सेमच लॉजिक लावायचं आहे अँड यू हॅव टू यूज इट इफ अँड देन. ओके, यू विल ऑटोमॅटिकली the idea will be clear to you automatically when I will send you the photographs of practice set 1.3 also. Okay, remember this hint, quite similar to the use of if and but we did in English grammar. Chalo, this exercise also, the photographs I will send to you as Maths 2 lesson 1 practice set 1.3, pick I and T, that is if and then. Okay, I and T stands for if and then. You can identify the codes itself that what could be inside it. Okay, 1.3 is entirely on that only. So 1.3 is over. We will enter problem set 1 directly. End of the lesson, problem set 1. Okay, problem set 1 मध्ये सुद्धा पहिला तुम्हाला जे क्वेश्चन दिलेला आहे that is choose the correct answers. Okay, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति देखा है ना? Have you seen कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? There is a question and 4 options. You have to select the right options. Okay, so it is just like a fill in the blank kind of a thing, with 4 of your colleagues helping you to fill in that blank, and all 4 are giving different answers. You have to select which one is right. Okay, so this is kaun banega karodpati. Again, we won't waste much time in this. I will send you the photograph of this also, this particular problem number 1, and I'll send it to you with answers. Okay, now problem number 2, we need to start this with problem number 2. We still have 3 minutes left, so let us continue. Okay, no, this problem number 2 is a big problem. Okay, it is having 1 2 3 4 sub problems of 2 marks each. Okay, this particular problem carries 8 marks. Similarly, याच्यामध्ये जर एक अजून ॲड केला प्रॉब्लेम तर इट कॅन ऑल्सो कम फॉर 10 marks. पण this entire lesson is going to carry 10 marks in your semester. So एक प्रॉब्लम में तो वेस्ट होएगा नहीं. Teacher might be putting this particular problem, either they will put out of these 4 they will put any 1 or 2 problems. Okay, so now since this is going to be a very big problem, okay, so we have only 2 minutes. 2 minutes मध्ये होणार नाही आहे. So what we'll do is we'll start this problem with a fresh video. Okay.